Hello and welcome back to Highlights at Home. We're hoping to warm up your February with some holiday cheer for Valentine's Day and Chinese New Year with this week's collection themed love and luck. While you may associate Valentine's Day with sharing love with others, it's also important to encourage self-love. Children with self-love are better prepared to become the best versions of themselves, curious, creative, caring, and confident. You can help your child practice self-love and build their confidence by setting them up to feel a sense of accomplishment. Allow them to work through their challenges on their own rather than fixing everything for them. As you go through this collection, don't be so quick to jump in and locate that hidden object that they can't find right away, or to read an unfamiliar word before they've had a chance to try to sound it out on their own. The more independently they work on something, the more pride they will feel in having achieved it. It's important to let your child know you're proud of them every day and to encourage them to feel proud of themselves too. When you praise your child, try to go beyond the generic good job or thank you. More specific praise, such as, "It was really kind of you to make me a Valentine," can have a greater impact. Enjoy spreading some love and luck this week. We'll be back soon with more free online activities.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.